an actual Speedcube. So first, corner cutting, yeah. Speed, yeah, it's in the name. Magnets, check. Easy to turn, check. Light, check. Now we have Rubiks run. Corner cutting, basically 0. Turns with very minimal effort. And is very slow. Oh yeah, at least it doesn't pop. Like if you smack it really hard, it won't pop. But if you smack this thing really hard, it's gonna pop. So Rubiks gets a check mark for strength, and that's it. It has tiles, so it's actually not sticker. This one is also stickerless, but they're not tiles. It's just, you know, the inside. Use a completely plastic, no springs or anything. You have magnets and everything. Spider core, but well, this uses a ball core. Yeah, so I actually did a trick. See how bad this thing is. Imagine solving a Rubik's Cube, bro. Couldn't be me. Oh my god. This is like so fast, bro. Like, this is really like my now paid, man. Like, this is so fast, bro. This is gonna be like super fast. Like I'm effortlessly turning, bro. Like yeah. Now let's try to Speedcube. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Do that one. So actually so much faster. Okay. Now let's actually do it with statistics. Like, no effort at all. Whereas like if it's just this much aligned, like if it's like this and I have to push it. See? So this is the method. I'm going to do the same scramble just to make it fair. Start from the same side. So. Okay, Rubiks for a scramble. Now, keep in mind that took like a few seconds to scramble. Okay, no, like that took like 2 minutes actually. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, scramble. Let's start from different sides. So, yeah, first up is the Rubiks brand. I'm not even gonna bother with tooth inspection because it's just gonna take even longer. Rubiks brand, where solving it takes longer than inspections max. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, my hand. My hand actually hurts. I'm just gonna add up those two. Oh my god, my hand hurts. Holy, okay. 3, 2, 1. Wait, I just realized that's how bad Rubik's brand is. It actually makes your hand hurt. Just to make it accurate, I'm gonna do this in a calculator so that you guys don't just get mad like my classmates. Except for Chris. Kashish. Wait, what? There's a website for okay. 117.10, 1.17.10 plus 27.62. 27.2 equal 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 8 seconds, and 291 milliseconds. Okay, and now let's try Speedcube. Okay, inspection. 3, 2, 1, and go. Yep, 48 seconds. I mean, my PB was 32 seconds, so. My god, okay, so let's see what the difference is. Minus 48.03. 48.03. Dude, that's more. That's almost 2 minutes less. Okay, oh my god. Yeah. Also, by the way, this costs $20 and this costs 40. Like, come on, bro. I can't make this video anymore because my mind is crying with pain after touching that Rubiks brand for 2 minutes straight. It's hurting.